All right, now this is one of my big Christmas gifts. This is the New Wave Induction cooktop. I've never used one before. Had to get a special pan. It is magnetic, so I'm gonna make some steak. All right, we're using flat iron, tasty and cheap, and some prime steak. All right, all that's left is to figure out how to work this thing. All right, we've got probe, low, medium, medium high, high, sear. I'm gonna try medium high. So the way that this works is there are copper coils inside this, and then it uses magnetism to just evenly heat the pan, is what I hear. I may be wrong, don't come at me, please. Right, it does make a little noise when you turn it on, but I am okay with that if it heats fast. So it's been like 5 seconds and the pan is almost too hot to touch. It's only been a minute, but this is screaming hot. You know, if I couldn't hear the sizzling and see that little rise, I would almost think it wasn't cooking. Like, this thing is really neat. They say you don't have to worry about the fumes or anything, and you can't really burn anything because all the heat's just occurring, just heats the pan. Does not heat anything else, no open flame. So I'm actually going to try the sear button, and it gets you to 500 degrees. Now that's a beautiful sear. And look how clean this pan is. I've never had a pan look like this when I was cooking a steak in it. Now I didn't choose a funky shaped steak. I bet this sear would be completely even if I had one that was flat. Alright, we're done here. I do appreciate the fact that the stuff that's cooked on is basically just surface level. Like, this is coming right off without even washing the pan. This may be my new favorite kitchen utensil. This is what non-stick should be. If you say something's non-stick, it should be just like this. All right, this steak was cooked with our New Wave Induction cooktop. Delicious flavor. Seasoning really cooked on there. The sear would have been better if I'd picked a flat steak, but this is delicious. The pan was super easy to clean. The thing itself, like, heats up really fast, changes temperatures fast. That pan can go wherever you need it to in a quick instant. There's no downsides to this. Well, it was probably a little expensive, but this was a really good present, and I am very happy my wife got it for me. I'm going to cook so much stuff on this. I give this a 10 out of 10. The New Wave Induction cooktop. No, this is not a sponsorship. I just really like the thing. I really like the first cook I did on this New Wave, but you know what? I want to get maximum sear, maximum color, so we're doing something different. All right, so we've got some beautiful chops. You'll notice they're very thick because I want to get a good crust, and they're flat, which the other steak did not have going for it. I'm going to switch it up with some Kinder's Whiskey Apple because pork and apple is a match made in heaven. All right, these are ready. It's actually seconds before it's decisively hot. Like, this thing, it heats up so fast, I cannot overstate that. This is about a 2 or 3 minute sear right here. And that is, oh my, look at how pretty that is. We bumped it down to medium high, and we're just gonna cook it until it's about medium well. And yes, I do use a meat thermometer for stuff like this. Oh yeah, these look great. They're ready to be pulled. And once they rest, give them a nice little cut, and you'll see that we have some very tender, juicy looking pork chops. Here's our beautifully seared pork chop that we did on the New Wave Induction cooktop. It's tender, it's juicy, the sear adds flavor. Granted, it's not better tasting necessarily because I cooked it on there, but it kind of is because that sear, hard to get in my regular pan. I love this thing, honestly. It makes cooking so much easier. You have that much more control. I have not come across a single downside. I absolutely love this cooktop, and I'm going to use it as often as I can. Thanks for watching, and remember, food should be an adventure.